burn my tires. The road just doesn't know how to handle them.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. This is exactly how it is.
It's not my fault, it's the road's fault.
You damn right. What's going on, guys? Today we're starting the channel or the vlog a little late. We gotta go make some deliveries and stuff. We're gonna bring y'all along, so.
Alright, what are we doing now?
Well, we gotta drop the tires off that are in the bag.
Your new tires?
Yeah,
Finally?
Two of them. And we're gonna drop them off at the barn, and then we're gonna go make this delivery, and then we're gonna go pick up a transmission, and then hopefully get that delivered, and then go get me a haircut.
With them there and then snap and then they're gone.
It doesn't matter. You know, it would help if you're gonna have a business. It would help put a fucking sign up so people know what business it is.
Yeah, seriously.
Look, brand new building, no sign. Transmission. So that being said, we'll go make those deliveries.
Somebody gonna come out here?
I don't know. If not, I'm just throw it on.
Oh, I think we're supposed to deliver it over there.
That door over there. I can pull over if you want. Yeah, just walk over there. Alrighty. Thank you. Thank you. I guess, technically, you could turn around.
To talk to your dad?
Yeah. Help
I
them
would.
out.
Yeah.
Think so?
Yeah.
So, whip it around real quick. I do different shit every day, so. Well, I say different shit. I'm doing different shit most of the time. They don't need the pallet.
Hold this motherfucker so you don't goddamn turn it.
Alright, we're gonna deliver this shit. Cool deal. Thanks, sir.
Did they tell you to pick this one up?
Yeah.
I need new tires and wheels. Look at this shit. Look at this. Come here. Look at this shit. Looks good. Oh, yeah. Drexler. personal dragsters. Alrighty, so I got done delivering, doing all that stuff. I got my oil filter, so now I can finally come over here and do an oil change. And while I'm here, I'm gonna address the engine light that's been on for a while, for about the last couple of months. All it is fucking a glow plug, but I mean, it ain't no big deal. Like I said, I'm gonna address that and get that done and over with. So anyways, but I'm gonna pull the pickup in here and let it cool off and go in, you know, wait a little bit, and then I'll go and start the process of oil change.
I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
I don't know why, but GM fucked up, and what they did was they put a bigger fucking bolt or screw, whatever you want to call it, on the front side where it connects in. And anyways, so you got a 10 millimeter and then you got 7 millimeter for the fender well. I don't know why, but that's what they wanted to do. So I got all my shit good to go, ready. Got my filter, got my oil, got my fucking catch pan. It's up on the ramps, so I'm gonna continue to let it cool down for a little bit, and we'll go from there. I don't know if everybody that remembers, this is my good buddy Zane. He, like I said, he's an old GM mechanic, but he works for the competition now, since just I guess a better opportunity over there. But he's back again. He's helping me out with this glow plug issue, since my dumb ass hadn't fucking ever did it before, and I was willing to do it by myself, but you know, of course the one that went out was the hardest fucking one to get to without pulling the fender line. So we're gonna check the race truck for some blow by. So we're gonna check it out. Let me see. We checked the truck for blow-by. I don't have no blow-bys from, you know, I mean, from what we could tell. Other than that, here's the different style of tire I'm gonna try. I mean, it's still all-terrains, but it's a Nitto. Let me look at it. It's a Nitto Terra Grappler G2. I don't know if anyone else has had experience with these, but until I can get actual fucking aftermarket wheels and tires for this motherfucker, I'm gonna have to stick with these little baby tires, I guess. But I don't know. I'm gonna try these out because, I mean, as you can tell, these are my old tires that come off the damn pickup. Looks good, huh? Anyways, anybody need some drag slicks or some shit? So, but anyways, that's the old tires and wheels that come off of it. Y'all have any good thoughts or opinions? I guess comment down below or something. But honestly, I think these should be a good little tire. I got the other two coming. These come out of a different warehouse. Has to deal with that and the shipping issue with that. So apparently my other two tires are going to be here Monday, in case if anyone was wondering where the other two are at. But other than that, I guess we're going to get started on this oil change and get this motherfucker good and ready to go. And if you want to know the oil I'm running Shell Rotella. It's T6 full synthetic. It claims triple protection. I don't fucking know. I just know that I've been running Shell in my vehicles for a good while, and I don't know, I've had good luck with it, so I guess I'm gonna, well, say good luck. But anyways, I've had some good run-ins with it, so it's not too bad. I'm just, if y'all were curious about what kind of oil I run. But I guess we're gonna get started on this and we're gonna go with it. Got them both draining, so we'll finish up in a minute. I should have put gloves on, but I normally do. I'm just trying to finish up and get this shit done because it's fucking cold. So I'm gonna wash up, put gloves on, and then go back at it. Real quick, this is what a bad fucking glow plug looks like. It's all burnt the fuck out. It's just burnt out. So anyways, that's the one that come out. The number 4, it was out. So anyway.
Should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. Search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars.
Alrighty, so just the GoPro died, so now I'm using the iPhone to record with. But anyways, it was too fucking cold, so I went and put on a jacket. And with that being said, Lauren, the beautiful girlfriend, she showed up with some food, so I put a pause on this, and I let it finish draining, and I fucking made a little bit of a mess, but it's alright. So I finished that, and I put the fender wheel back on, got all that done, and I let that finish draining, and so I went up there and ate, got on a jacket now, put on some fucking gloves, and now I'm going to go back with it, and we're going to wrap this shit up and be done. Alrighty, so here we are. Don't mind that, that's from that oil. It kind of caught and carried over. As you can see, it dripped right there too into the deal. There's the old oil filter, but here's the new one. So we're gonna go back with it. And honestly, you don't want to tighten these too fucking much, because the reason is when you get them too fucking tight, they're a pain in the ass to take off. And I've already broke a filter wrench or two before I started the channel, trying to fucking change it. Transmission filter is a little bit different, but I mean, same concept, but they're a little bit different. So, but with that being said, oh god damn, that should be tight enough. Now I need to go put the plug back in. My bad. Sorry if the recording's bad. It's just it's fucking freezing ass cold and trying to put all this shit back together and be done. But yeah, with that being said, the plug's back in, and now I'm gonna tighten it up. Alright, so we're gonna let it run for a minute, let it get clear. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna let it run for a minute, let it warm up a little bit. So, anyways, but yeah, basically it's just a daily vlog for today, and so I guess we'll call it there.